Hello everybody, this is Tom and Giggle. I finally got my brother out. That way he started recording. He does say bad words, that's why. I don't know why he's only 6, but let's get started right into the video. And I know I suck at this game, but I just did it because I felt like it. Soon I'll get into the big editing. Don't worry, like my stepfather has to get the Ethernet cable, which is something to plug up your Xbox with to your computer. That way I can start recording there and just start from there. There.
How do you do this?
Oh, hold on, guys. My friend is asking me a question. Alright, I'm back, guys. He was asking me how did I do my intro? Yeah. Yeah. Here he is. Shout out to his channel. Not my brother. But Brian. Exactly.
Well, shout out to my brother.
Shut up. Look at this guy.
And then we get like probably like what?
Nice.
Million. We're gonna go meet Logan Paul in LA. What's up?
Well, if we actually meet the real Logan Paul, that would be my life dream. Cause he's a funny guy.
And he's a celebrity and everything.
Yeah, so if we ever meet him, you better subscribe because I'm gonna definitely be recording. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I know you hate the YouTubers that have like goals, but I'm gonna see what we get. I'm aiming for about
And if we hit 10 million,
15 subscribers.
if we hit 10 million subscribers, we will go meet PewDiePie.
We'll try to. He lives in Sweden.
Yeah, it's pretty hard.
Yeah, it's like a few hours away from where I live. We live in Texas. And
if we get past 1,000, we're definitely gonna go see.
Oh, and guys, definitely smash that like button. If you do and we hit 10 subscribers, I'm gonna do the ice and salt challenge, which is where you get salt and then put it on your wrist and then rub a block of ice on it. Hello, pretty girl. How you doing today? Yes.
Hey, show him this. Show him
What?
this. It's Pink
Well, if we do get 10 subscribers, that'd be sick. My like goal for today is 15 likes. I know it's pretty low, but I'm just barely beginning, so
Bye.
I'm not gonna buy that. But yeah, my like goal is 15 likes because I'm barely starting out, and I just don't know the feeling to get like 15 likes because I think I never have. I haven't checked a new video. Well, my other videos, not a new video.
I mean, like, he's one of those starters and stuff.
Yeah, like oh, and if you haven't subscribed to the other guys I gave a shout out to, like Vanoss Gaming, Louie, H2O, Delirious, and all those guys, please go check out the last video I did. And go subscribe to them. They're the ones who inspired my YouTube channel. They're the ones I'm here.
If we hit 15 subscribers, we'll go find a abandoned place and do a 24 overnight challenge in it.
Nah, my mom will probably kill me. How about like a ice bucket challenge, probably in the winter? If I ever do that, that's gonna be cold.
And
Like whenever it's snowing, if we ever get snow, then what I'm gonna do.
one time I was in Oklahoma with my mom. I know what happened. The funniest thing ever happened. Usually there was snow. No.
It was lice.
Yeah, like all over the grass and all over the sidewalk.
Oh, I didn't know. I never knew. What? It was lice? That was lice? What? Lice on the grass?
Ronald's skinny.
Ronald's gaming. Yeah, he's a pretty chill guy.
Make sure to go subscribe
To my friend Atomic Bomb and Atomic Savage.
Atomic Savage.
Yeah, that's one of his names. Brady, shut up.
I know he is. He's Savage.
No, you don't know who he is. I know him personally, like in real life.
But
Like,
he's Savage, I know it.
I don't know if I posted the video yet, but it was when me and him were playing together and stuff.
Sonic Savage.
See, he's looking up.
Sonic Savage.
Yeah.
Guys, who wants to
Yeah. Just look for the thing with like I think it's a Call of Duty sniper emoticon, I don't know. I'm not trying to be racist. It's just what it is. It is what it is.
Because my brother was trying to be racist to be racist.
I don't know, let me know. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll show you all the pictures.
No, not yet.
When he dies. I'll
Yeah.
show you all the pictures.
Yeah, I'll probably have to go into full screen for that, which I don't know how yet. I'll try to edit it, but if I can't, then I'm sorry.
You just try to use your eyes. Use the mask. Use the eyes. You don't use the eyes, you're gonna spank him. And when
Alright,
you
bro, that's-
switch up atomic bomb,
And
it usually shows like the nuclear bomb and stuff.
yeah,
Like when I try to do it, it just shows the nuclear bomb, and I never can find it.
you mean the nuclear?
You got here fast. I cannot say it.
You cannot say nuclear.
Alrighty. I think it's nuclear.
Why do you think it's nuclear?
He's in his undies.
I'm not in my undies. My brother is.
No, I'm in my swimming shirt, guys. So don't worry, I'm not in my undies. My brother.
Brody, it's fall. What
My
the?
brother is in my brother's in his undies.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, but
I'm wearing my boxers. JK.
Yeah, he's wearing his boxers undies.
JK. If I was, I'd be kind of disgusting. Not gonna lie. But yeah, nope.
Here, let me show you.
What?
This is it. It's like
Hit that out of my face.
that's the picture. This is like Atomic Savage.
Yeah, I'll probably have to end the recording pretty soon. Because my phone could only process 15 minutes of recording. So probably at like 13, 14 minutes, I'll have to stop it. So yeah, a lot of you been asking, well not a lot of you, like people at my school, have been asking, when are you gonna do another Slither.io video? When are you gonna do another what's it called? Pexagon 3D video. Oh, and if you're in the same game as I am, then I will
Definitely.
I'll definitely put a shout out to you. So all you have to do is comment in the comment section below. You're in the same game with me or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, I have to tell you the story, alright? So me and my football guys, or my football buddies, we were at a party because we won a game.
See, look.
And well, whenever we went to a football party because we won a football game. Oh, well, we were walking outside. I barely got outside, and then everyone was running back. I was like, "What the heck is happening?" They all said, "Get back inside." So I went back inside. I asked my friend Jordan, I asked him what's going on, and he said this crazy lady was about to grab one of my friends or something like that and call the police. So I went inside and drank my cola like it was nothing. It was just a misunderstanding, you know, and like, you know, whenever that happens, like somebody gets hurt and all that. I didn't want to be that guy. He gets hurt or injured, you know, because I don't want to end up in prison. And never again can be able to create new posts for you guys, because like my subscribers mean the world to me. Only cause, and this is, well, not only cause, but because I know that a few people in the world actually like me. So if you are a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. It means the world for me. To me. And yeah, it's just, I know for each subscriber, I know that there is a few people who like me in the world for who I am, you know. Not to get all sappy on you.
Wait, which one is it? That one?
No. It's like, oh shoot. Hold on, guys. I'm having to do this.
Hey, what's up? I'm in my car.
Hold on. Damn, there's a lot of right here. There we go. But yeah, I'm gonna have to end the video right here. Thank you for subscribing.
Guys, let me tell you something. It's not an atomic bomb. It's the atomic bomb.
All right. Well, I have to see you later, guys. Thank you for subscribing, guys, and hopefully y'all enjoyed just looking at my face. I'm the faking. You the fake. Alright, and see me play as this dumb robot. Alright, see you later, guys. Peace.